I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable alerts for your transactions on the TD app, follow these steps to set it up easily. Step 1. Open the TD app. Launch the TD app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate to settings. Once you're in the app, find the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Tap on it to enter the settings menu. Step 3. Select alerts. In the settings menu, look for an option labeled alerts or notifications. Tap on it to view the alert options available for your account. Step 4. Enable transaction alerts. Find the section for transaction alerts and toggle the switch to enable them. You may have options for different types of transactions, so select what you want to be notified about. Step 5. Customize alert preferences. After enabling alerts, you can customize how you want to receive them, such as via push notifications or email. Make sure to save your settings before exiting. Remember, if you don't see the alerts option, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Enjoy staying informed about your transactions.